Hello guys, in this lesson I want to talk about units of measurement in CSS. What is units of measurement? For example, think you want to add a font size to a class in your CSS. For example, I write my size. Okay guys, I write the text. This is a unit. Okay, I write the style here. Now I write body. For example, in body I write font size equals to 16 pixel. And again I write, for example, my size equals to font size, for example, 28 pixel. Now this one, it will goes to 28 pixel. Let's see this. This is 28 pixel. For example, think you wanna use your body font size as a unit. How you can do this? For example, now I write one rem here, root element. This is our root element, body. Now my size is go to 16 pixel. But for example, if I write this, my size is goes to 2 rem, 16 pixels multiply 2. Now this is 16 pixel multiply 2. It's equal to 32 pixel. Now let's change it from inspect element. Okay, 32 pixel. Oh, sorry, this is in inspect element in responsive mode. 32 pixel. You can see it's no default. For example, if I change this to 3 rem, it's equal to 3 multiply, excuse me, 3 times 16. It's equal to 48 pixel. 48 pixel. Again, we have another unit. For example, think we have another div here. Okay, I said that my size as a div. This is the unit. Okay, here I said font size 1 pixel. Here I say font size 16 em element. This is our element. Okay, it gets the size from this. 16 is equal em is 16 equals this one. This. Can you see? Now our font size is goes to 16 pixels. Yes. If I change this to, for example, 2, it's changed. This is em and this is rem pixel and this one. Now go to use size. For example, I have dot my size. Width equals to 100%. Background color red. Can you see 100 pixel, but we have margin and padding in our body. It's equals to 0, but I don't want this now. Now let's go to add a height. Height equals to 100 view height, VH. It means how much my view height. Okay, again we have view width. It's equal to 100% of our view width. Okay, now we have how many units? Rem, em, pixel, VW, VH, and percent. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 master units in CSS. I'll teach to you, and I wish a good time for you. Goodbye.